Welcome back to Decoded, Smarter Soil, Better Gardens. I'm the soil doctor, and today we're tackling a big question. How do you grow a thriving garden when water is scarce? Every year summers get hotter and rain less reliable, but you don't have to watch your hard work wilt away. There's a smarter way. Build a garden that thrives in dry conditions by working with nature, not against it. We'll cover soil science, plant selection, and watering hacks to help you create a resilient, beautiful, and easy-to-manage garden. Ready to turn that thirsty patch of dirt into a lush oasis? Let's dig in. This is your ultimate guide to a drought-proof garden. The foundation of a drought-proof garden is your soil. Think of soil as a sponge. Healthy soil holds water for your plants, while poor soil lets it run off or evaporate. The secret? Organic matter. Compost is your best friend, boosting water retention and soil structure. Add a few inches of compost to your beds to create pockets that hold water and air. Coconut coir and leaf mold are also excellent for moisture retention and improving soil texture. Avoid heavy tilling. Let worms and microbes mix in amendments naturally to preserve soil life. Always mulch with wood chips, straw, or leaves to shield soil from the sun and lock in moisture. Build your soil, and you'll need less water all season. Healthy soil is the single biggest drought buster. Start here, and everything else gets easier. With great soil, it's time to pick the right plants. Choose crops and ornamentals adapted to dry conditions. Think Mediterranean veggies like Roma tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, and deep-rooted sweet potatoes. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage thrive with little water. For flowers, look for silvery leaves, lavender, Russian sage, succulents, sedum, and prairie natives, yarrow, coneflower. Drought-tolerant plants often have deep roots or water-storing leaves. Read plant tags for drought-tolerant or water-wise. The right plant choices mean less stress and less watering. Work with your climate, not against it. Smart plant selection is half the battle. Now, arrange your plants by water needs, a strategy called hydrozoning. Group thirsty plants together near your water source. Keep medium water crops in one area and place drought-tolerant plants in low water zones. This way, you water only where it's needed, saving time and resources. High water zones are small and close to the hose, medium zones are for tough veggies, low water zones are for resilient herbs and natives. Once established, many drought-tolerant plants need little to no extra water. Hydrozoning makes your garden easier to manage and more efficient. No more overwatering or underwatering. Smarter layout, healthier plants. Design your garden for success from the start. How you water matters as much as what you plant. Water deeply and less often, skip daily sprinkles, and give roots a long soak to encourage deep growth. Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation to deliver water right to the soil, minimizing evaporation. If watering by hand, aim for the base of each plant and let it soak in. Water early in the morning to reduce evaporation and disease risk. Avoid midday watering. Most of it evaporates before reaching roots. For a boost, use compost tea to add beneficial microbes and strengthen plants. Healthy, deep-rooted plants withstand drought better. Smart watering saves water and builds resilience. Make every drop count. Even drought-tolerant plants need relief from intense sun. Use shade cloth over hoops to protect sensitive crops and prevent sun scald. Interplant tall crops like sunflowers to shade shorter, delicate plants. Move containers to spots with afternoon shade, or group them to create microclimates. Even a little shade during peak heat reduces water needs and plant stress. Simple shading can extend your harvest and keep your garden thriving. Use nature and simple tools to beat the heat. Shade is a powerful drought defense. A drought-resistant garden should be low maintenance too. Lean on native plants, they're adapted to your climate and need little care once established. Try chop and drop, leave pruned plant material as mulch to feed soil and suppress weeds. Don't leave soil bare. Plant cover crops in fall to protect and enrich your beds. These habits create a self-sustaining, resilient garden that improves every year. Less work, more results. Let nature do the heavy lifting. Build a garden that thrives on neglect. Work smarter, not harder. That's your blueprint for a drought-proof, thriving garden. Build healthy soil, choose smart plants, group them wisely, water efficiently, and use shade and mulch. With these steps, you'll grow more with less water and less effort. A resilient garden is possible and beautiful. Ready to start your water-wise oasis? Like and subscribe for more soil-smart tips from Dirt Decoded. I'm the Soil Doctor. See you next time.